Yo, YouTube, man, what up, man? We back again with another video, man. Now, I finally got a GoPro. As y'all see, I got my hands free, so now I can give y'all a good POV drive of the car, man. And the car not too dirty, man. Hey, Angel, ain't gonna lie, I just put up to this quick trip right here just to start the vid. This gonna be like a quick little POV drive because I just want to see how it looks. And I'm trying to get, like, you know, place it right on my forehead. I don't know if I should place it a little bit too low or just right, but you know, the car is pretty clean, even though I'm finna go to the crib and, you know, give it a little car wash. We might pull it to a car meet later tonight. But I finally got to install these full carbon fiber fenders. They just paint matched to the same dirt, you know, Alpine white, but it looked pretty good. It looked pretty good on the car. Now all I'm missing is the front lip, because y'all know my front lip's still gone. But other than that, the car looking good. And then maybe some icons, GTS hood. But other than that, I think I might be done after that. I think, like, looks wise, other than wrapping it, of course. But I don't know what color I would wrap it. Probably, I was thinking of it's this purple color. I can't think of the name right now, but it's this purple color. But yeah, let me see what it's looking like right now. Okay, so yeah, it looks pretty good. Y'all let me know in the comments. The quality looks good too. But yeah, hey man, we finna hop into this little POV drive. It's gonna be a little quick POV drive. I'm not too far from the house. I'm like 2 exits away, so I just wanna see if it picks up my voice right and, you know, see how it is. Learn the other beam back there. But other than that, that's really it, for real. Just how it looks from the back. I mean, ain't gonna lie, I do need some gas, but I'm not finna put quick trip gas no more. I'm finna do the, I'm gonna try to just keep putting in Shell or Chevron, because them two gas, like, both of those gas places are good, you know, good gas. But yeah, let's go ahead. It's hot, man. It's so hot, man. I feel like 100 degrees out here. But yeah, let's see how this little POV drive is. I ain't gonna lie, I should have took a picture of the car. You know what? I'm gonna take a little picture of the car real quick, just so it could be like the POV, the thumbnail. It might be the thumbnail. But let's give it a little startup, All right. Wait, do I have pictures to use as a thumbnail? I think I might. If I don't, I'm just gonna use the old picture as a thumbnail. But yeah. Yeah, I was thinking I'm gonna give y'all the POV drive with the windows that look like halfway down. And if it's the wind, like, y'all let me know in the comments. If y'all do, you know, leave a little comment, like, comment, subscribe. Oh, I already said comment, but, you know, like, subscribe. Keep tapping in, man. I've been reading y'all comments, and yes, I've been slacking. I stopped posting videos, but man, I really just wanted the GoPro for the POV drive. But I finally got the GoPro, so yeah, so it shouldn't be no more issues no more. I should be able to just keep pushing out content. Okay, so yeah, it don't look too bad in here. It looks good, actually. It don't look bad. But yeah, we finna head to the crib. Finna go ahead, head to the crib. Hey, I got slides on, so I'm gonna drive with it. I'm gonna take them off. All right, man. Mission. Nobody coming. All right. Nobody coming. I can hear the car. It got, like, whenever you turn the car back on, got like a little cold start to it. But yeah, as y'all see, I do need some gas, but we're not too far from the crib. And then it's a Shell near my house, so I'll probably just wash the car, and then whenever I go back out, just put gas there. Man, I hope the wind not too loud though. But let me try to be quiet a little bit. Try not to talk too much so y'all can hear the car as well. Oh man, we got a little Mustang trying to pull up. Man. No gas too. Mustang want to play? All right, bro. All right, bet. Go show you some. That's a little 5.0. Little 5.0 Mustang, man. Come on, I know you hear the front mount. Yeah, buddy. Bug 53. Man, he lucky as traffic. We gonna run it right now. We can run it right now. Come on, dog. I ain't gonna lie, I hope 12 not up there. I think I seen an SUV, a look like 12, but hey, hey man, say man. Not too loud. Man, that Mustang trying to get into it now. Woo. Hey man, let run it, man. I'm trying to run it. I'm trying to see what that 5.0 talking about. Let's see, let's see. He don't want to run it though. Hey, and I know y'all probably gonna say in the comments just a little 5.0. Hey man, I know I'm just playing around. I'm just playing around. We finna come down my exit like right here, so. Hey, these people in the van was watching, they like, oh yeah. God dang. Hey, that was a little fun run, little good little run right there. Don't mind me, I'm gonna keep rolling up and down the windows. It's just, I don't know, I'll be thinking the wind too loud, but also with the windows down, y'all can hear the car more, so I'm trying to give y'all like a little bit of both. Feel what I'm saying? Pull up right here, let's see. All right, we're getting off the highway, so I'm gonna roll down the windows a little bit. But I need gas. I'm over here trying to play around and stuff. I'm finna end up on the side of the freeway with no gas. Oh look, it's a Chevron right there. I forgot. Yeah, I could put some gas there too. And I'm just not trying to spend no money right now, for real, for real. YouTube not doing that right now. I can hear the burbles too. I had retuned the burbles, so they're not that hard no more. I think y'all could, yeah, I laid it a POV before I got the GoPro, so they're not that good no more. 12 right there. Oh my God. They weren't paying attention though. They're not paying attention. We good, we good. They're looking at the computer. But yeah, man. Hey, we might also, my brother gonna pull out a 342, so we gonna have both cars in the vid. We might, hopefully. That's gonna be another video though. This video is just like the POV drive, just a little POV drive to see how the GoPro is. God. But yeah. But I'll probably drop that video. I might drop both videos the same day, I'm not gonna lie. Even though, I don't know, we'll see. The other video might be for tomorrow, and I might try to drop this one today. But yeah. Man, it's so hot. I'm trying to go to the pool, man. Man, my exhaust be, I don't know if it's the diffuser on the muffler, but like it'll do like a little rattle. Man, it annoys me so much at times, like why? Like, but I don't know, man. It'd be annoying for real. Alright, y'all, man, this is gonna end the video out right here. I just want to do a little POV for y'all, man, just to see what it's like, to see how the video will be like. But hey, man, I said please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know some more ideas which I want to see more of. I know y'all want to see the M4, more POVs of the M4, of course, and I will do that now that I have a GoPro. For sure do that now. So yeah, just okay, look, I might need to drop it a little bit down lower, but I think it might be good. But yeah, man, that's gonna be the end right here. I'm just finna do a little pull right. Man, hope y'all like this video, man. Please like that video right there, boy. And yeah, tune in. I'm finna keep dropping now, so tune in, man. And yeah, appreciate for those of you that do comment and like my videos and watch them. Man, I appreciate y'all a lot. And yeah, just finna keep going on. Finna keep dropping for y'all boys and girls, if there is any. But yeah.